My most sincere greetings to everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss 30 most important MCQs based on the chapter The Sermon at Banaras, composed by Betty Renshaw for the students of class 10. Let's proceed. Question number 1. Gautam Buddha was born in option A 563 BC, option B 483 BC, option C 463 BC, or option D 383 BC. So we all know that Gautam Buddha was born in the year 563 BC. And when was he died? Yes, he was died in the year 483 BC. So the correct answer of this question is option A. Gautam Buddha was born in the year 563 BC. Question number 2. What was Gautam Buddha's early name? Option A. Siddha, option B. Sadhu, option C. Siddharth, or option D. Siddhant. So we all know the correct answer of this question is option C. Siddharth. The early name of Gautam Buddha was Siddharth. Question number 3. Which family did Gautam belong to? Option A. Farmer, option B. Royal, option C. Monk, option D. None of the above. The correct answer of the question is option B. Royal. Gautam Buddha was born in the family of royals. So he belonged to the family of royal. Now, in his childhood, what was Gautam shielded from? Option A. Pleasures, option B. Money, option C. Wisdom, और ऑप्शन डी सोरोज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब समझिए पहले कि गौतम जो हैं उनको जैसे बचपन में किस चीज से उनके बचपन में उनको बचाकर रखा गया था. राइट, ही वॉज शील्डेड फ्रॉम मीन्स ही वॉज प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम. किस चीज से उनको बचाकर रखा गया था? तो इस तरीके से हम देखते हैं कि द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज सोरोज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सिंस ही वॉज बोर्न इन अ रॉयल फैमिली, so he was saved or protected from the sorrows of the world. He did not know anything about the miseries, griefs or sorrows of the world. So the correct answer is option D, sorrows of the world. Question number 4. Gautama was sent for schooling at the age of option A 8 years, option B 10 years, option C 12 years, or option D 16 years. According to the chapter, we know that Gautama was sent for schooling at the age of 12 years. Next question is, Gautama was married at the age of option A 16 years, option B 20 years, option C 30 years, or option D he was never married. So we know that he was married at the age of 16 years. So option A is correct here. Next question is, at what age did Gautam leave home for wisdom? Option A 16 years, option B 20 years, option C 22 years, or option D 25 years. Gautam left home for wisdom at the age of 25. So option D is correct here. Next question is, Gautam left home in search of option A power, option B money, option C enlightenment, or option D all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option C enlightenment. He left home in search of enlightenment. Question number 8. Where did Gautam give his first sermon? Option A Banaras, option B Patna, option C Haridwar, or option D Gaya. The correct answer of this question is option A Banaras. Since we all know the name of the chapter is also the Sermon at Banaras, so Gautam delivered his first sermon in the city of Banaras. So option A Banaras is correct here. Next question is, what is inevitable? Option A life, option B enlightenment, option C death, or option D youth. The correct answer of this question is option C death. Next question is, for how many years did Gautam wander in search of enlightenment? Option A 5 years, option B 7 years, option C 10 years, and option D 16 years. So for how many years did Gautam wander in search of enlightenment? The correct answer is 7 years. Option B is correct here. Gautam wandered in search of enlightenment for 7 long years. Now, next question. What moved him to seek out enlightenment? Option A, a sick man. Option B, an aged man. Option C, a monk begging. Option D, all of the above. Option D, all of the above is the correct answer here. We know that 4 things he saw while he was going for hunting, right? A sick man he saw, then he saw an aged man, then he saw a funeral procession, and the fourth thing was a monk begging. So the three first options A, B, C, they all are included in those four things which were seen by Gautam Buddha while going out for hunting. So here option D, all of the above, is correct. Next question is, what did he name the tree? Option A, Bodhi tree. Option B, Buddha tree. Option C, Gautama tree. And option D, Siddharth tree. The correct answer is Bodhi tree. And the tree, actually he sat under that tree and enlightenment came to him. Enlightenment means wisdom. In Hindi, we call wisdom Buddhi. And here the tree was also named Bodhi. Bodhi, Buddhi, they both are similar in meaning, right? So he named the tree Bodhi tree. And because of this fact only, his name also became Buddha. Why was Kisa Gautami sad? A, her only son had died. B, her all property was snatched. Option C, she was beaten up. Or option D, none of the above. So Kisa Gautami was sad because her only son had died. So option A is correct here. Her only son had died. Next question, how many more children did Kisa have? अब ये तो हमें पता ही है कि किसा गौतमी का कितने बेटे थे, कितने बच्चे थे उसके पास. He had only one son and that only child of hers was died. So we know the correct answer of this question would be C. Option A 5, option B 3, option C 4 and option D none. So how many more children Kisa have? Option D is correct here, none. She had the only son. Next question, what did Kisa ask for to bring her son back to life? Option A, medicine. Option B, money. Option C, doctor. Or option D, prayers. The correct answer of this question is option A, medicine. Question number 16. Which seed Buddha asked Kisa to bring? Option A, pumpkin seeds. Option B, mustard seeds. Option C, sunflower seeds. Or option D, sesame seeds. The correct answer of this question is option B, mustard seeds. Buddha asked Kisa to bring mustard seeds. What quantity of mustard seeds did Buddha ask for? Option A sackful. Option B, a handful. Option C, a pinch. Or option D, a cup. The correct answer of this question is a handful. बुद्धा ने किसा को मुट्ठी भर सरसों के बीज लाने के लिए कहा था. So the correct answer becomes a handful, यानी कि मुट्ठी भर mustard seeds लाने के लिए बोला था. Question number 18. What was the condition imposed upon the source of the seeds? Option A, to be borrowed from a man. Option B, to be borrowed from a woman. Option C, to be borrowed from a child. Or option D, none of the above. क्या कंडीशन लगाई थी कि किस तरह से लाने हैं मस्टर्ड सीड्स, कहाँ से लाने हैं, किससे लाने हैं मस्टर्ड सीड्स? बुद्धा ने किसा से क्या कहा था मस्टर्ड सीड्स को लाने के पीछे क्या कंडीशन लगाई थी? तो यहाँ हम देखते हैं कि हमें ये बात मालूम है कि बुद्धा ने किसा से ये कहा था कि आप उस घर से मस्टर्ड सीड्स लेकर आइए, हैंडफुल ऑफ मस्टर्ड सीड्स लेकर आइए, मुट्ठी भर मस्टर्ड सीड्स यानी कि सरसों के बीज लेकर आइए, जहां पर जिस घर में कोई भी डेथ ना हुई हो. तो यहाँ पर ऑप्शन में हमें ये ऑप्शन नहीं गिवन है, इसलिए बोथ यू सी ऑल दीज ऑप्शंस A, B, C आर नॉट वैलिड. सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन D, none of the above. Next question. How did Kisa feel at first being unable to find such seeds? Option A, weary. Option B, hopeless. Option C, motivated. Or option D, both A and B. Both option A and B are correct here. She felt weary as well as hopeless. Next question. What did the flickering lights made her realize? Option A, she is being selfish. Option B, death is common to all. Option C, men are mortals. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. When Kisa became weary and tired, she sat in the city somewhere and she was observing the flickering lights of the city. It was the time of evening और सभी लाइट्स चल रही थी शहर की, और वो उन जलती हुई और बुझती हुई लाइट्स को जब देखती है, जो लाइट्स जो है फ्लिकर कर रही थी उस समय, तो उसको यही रियलाइज होता है कि वो काफी सेल्फिश फील कर रही थी उस समय, कि वो तो बहुत ज्यादा स्वार्थी बन गई है, और उसे ये फैक्ट समझ में आ गया कि डेथ सबके लिए इनएविटेबल है, सभी की मृत्यु होनी सुनिश्चित है, और साथ के साथ मेन आर मॉर्टल, सभी जो मनुष्य हैं वो नश्वर हैं, उन्हें एक ना एक दिन मरना ही पड़ेगा. सो दिस वाज द ट्रूथ, दिस वॉज द विजडम जो कि किसा ने उस समय रियलाइज की थी while observing the flickering lights of the city. Next question, what did Buddha tell her about? Option A, it is troubled. Option B, it is brief. Option C, combined with pain. Option D, all of the above. बुद्धा ने किसा को लाइफ के बारे में क्या बताया? ओके, तो लाइफ के बारे में क्या बताया? All of the above is the correct answer here, क्योंकि लाइफ जो है that is troubled, that is brief and that is combined with pain as well. So option D is correct here, all of the above. Next question, both young and adults, fools and wise, fall into the power of option A, life, option B, death, option C, food, or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, death. Next question, what is the meaning of lamentation? Option A, expression of sorrow, option B, expression of gratefulness, option C, expression of joy, or option D, expression of laughter. So the correct answer is option A, expression of sorrow. Next question, what does Kisa search for from house to house in the first place? किसा पहले घर घर जाकर क्या चीज ढूंढ रही थी, राइट? ऑप्शन ए, मस्टर्ड सीड, ऑप्शन बी, अ मेडिसिन टू ब्रिंग हर सन बैक टू लाइफ, ऑप्शन सी, पंपकिन सीड्स, और ऑप्शन डी, नन ऑफ द अबव. द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज बी, अ मेडिसिन टू ब्रिंग हर सन बैक टू लाइफ, क्योंकि यहाँ क्वेश्चन में मेंशन्ड है कि फर्स्ट प्लेस पर, यानी कि पहले जो है किसा वो क्या ढूंढ रही थी, घर घर जाकर क्या मांग रही थी, लोगों से कह रही थी कि मेरा बेटा जो है वो काफी बीमार हो गया है और इसके लिए कोई दवाई दे दो. ओके, तो शुरुआत में तो वो मेडिसिन ढूंढ रही थी, लेकिन उसके बाद किसी वाइस मैन ने उसको कहा कि तुम्हारा इस तरह से कुछ भी तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगा, तुम बस ऐसा करो कि गौतम बुद्ध के पास चली जाओ. जब गौतम बुद्ध ने उसको कहा, उसी कंडीशन को देखा, तो तब गौतम बुद्ध ने उसको कहा कि तुम मस्टर्ड सीड्स लेकर आओ, सरसों के बीज लेकर आओ. तो मस्टर्ड सीड नहीं, यहाँ पर शुरुआत में वो ढूंढ रही होती है मेडिसिन, लेकिन बाद में बुद्ध से मिलने के बाद वो ढूंढने लगती है मस्टर्ड सीड्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ऑफ दोज who overcome by death, option A, depart from life, option B, become immortal, option C, become free, or option D, become dead. Correct answer is option A, depart from life. Next question is, the wise do not dash, knowing the terms of the world. We have to fill in the blank. Option A, laugh, option B, smile, option C, grieve, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, grieve. Next question, who is free from sorrow? Option A, who overcomes sorrow, option B, who does not see sorrow, option C, who remains happy, or option D, who gives sorrow to others. The correct answer is option A, who overcomes sorrow. Next question, how can one save his loved ones from death? Option A, by grief, option B, by crying, option C, by both, or option D, none of these. The correct answer of this question is none of these. क्योंकि हमें ये पता है कि जो बेसिक थीम है इस चैप्टर का वो यही है कि डेथ इज कॉमन टू ऑल, डेथ इज इनएविटेबल. तो हम किसी को भी किसी भी तरीके से हमारे लव्ड वन को डेथ से, मृत्यु से, मरने से बचा नहीं सकते, राइट? तो ना ही तो दुख मनाकर, ना ही रोकर हम किसी भी तरीके से हमारे जैसे लव्ड वन को बचा नहीं सकते डेथ से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, दोज हू डू नॉट ग्रीव आर option A, arrogant, option B, proud, option C, happy, or option D, wise. The correct answer is wise. Those who do not grieve are wise. Last question is, the sermon at Banaras is penned down by. चैप्टर जो है वो किसने लिखा है? ऑप्शन ए, बेटी रेनशॉ, ऑप्शन बी, कमला दास, ऑप्शन सी, जॉन केट्स, और ऑप्शन डी, हेनरी जेम्स. तो यहाँ करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, बेटी रेनशॉ. तो आप देखिए ये 30 क्वेश्चंस थे, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस जो मैंने यहाँ पर कंपाइल किए थे आपके लिए, आपकी प्रिपरेशंस के लिए. And it's my advice to you to also watch detailed explanation video, and the link of that video is given in the description box. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.